Meet Pazuzu, the lord of the plague wind, a demon feared even by other demons. His name was never spoken aloud. He wasn't worshipped, he was summoned, when death was already knocking. From the east came heat, from the west came him. Dust, fever, silence sharper than a blade. He was horror, used as protection. His image was placed on newborns, not to curse them, but to ward off something worse. Lamashtu, the child-stealing goddess of nightmare, the ritual, copper, darkness, and a whisper. Pazuzu, son of Hanbi, devour the plague. If the wind dies completely, he has arrived. He doesn't ask for blood. He leaves dread. He doesn't take your soul. He makes you beg it to flee on its own. So next time the wind vanishes and the silence feels unnatural, remember, not all storms make noise. Some are already inside. Full breakdown of Pazuzu, now on the channel.